Welcome back to the channel. I am your host, Asa Kane, and this is where for the last 4 years, I have taught thousands of people how to make money in crypto. Now, if you've been with me since the early days, you already know when I bring you a project early, it usually ends up paying off big. Now, in today's episode, we're going to be taking an in-depth look at a very new project that is virtually unknown to most people, but nonetheless has made a lot of waves in our industry. All right, now stick with me for the next few minutes because I'm going to be breaking down exactly what Pump.fun is, how it works, the tokenomics behind it, and why everyone is talking about it right now. I know that the vast majority of you are new to the channel, so I'm going to tell you exactly how it works. I share my experience, my insight, my knowledge with you. You learn, you contribute back. That's how we do everything here, okay? I'm going to share with all of you something. This right here is some of my analytics to the channel. And you can see right here in the center of the page, 918 monthly audience. That is the number of new viewers I have had over the last month. And this is after taking a 2-week break. 18 new subscribers. Actually, it's now up to 20. And to you 20 new members, I want to say welcome to the channel. You made a life-changing decision by subscribing. Make the most of it. And to you 20 subscribers, you've already learned something from me. So obviously, that's why you subscribe. The thing is, have you contributed back yet? If you haven't made any money yet from the knowledge that I've shared with you, that's one thing. But if you've learned anything, and all 20 of you have, it's time for you to contribute back to the channel. And that's just the 20 of you who are new subscribers. That's not all the thousands of you who have been watching over the last month. Come on, guys, you gotta kick in. This is not a labor of love. I love crypto. I love making money in crypto. I love teaching what I know to people, but I don't love doing it for free. That shit does not happen here. So either you got to get with the program or go somewhere else. It's that serious. Know that about me and this channel out the gate. All right. Do not misconstrue this. This is my mission. And I do not take anything that I do lightly at all. That being said, make sure you hit the bell notification, subscribe, and also hit the like button so that others like yourself who are new, who want to learn and start earning today can do so. Now, Pump.fun isn't just another meme token. It's a launch pad for memes. Think about how new coins usually start. Someone deploys a contract, tries to create hype on Twitter or Telegram, and maybe the coin gets traction. Maybe it doesn't. Now, Pump.fun automates this whole process. It gives anyone the ability to create and launch a meme coin in minutes directly on Solana. And here's the kicker. You don't need deep technical knowledge, a big developer team, or even a massive community to get started. Pump.fun levels the playing field and lets the memes do the work. This means instead of waiting for the next Pepe or the next bonk, traders can spot or even create new viral plays before they explode. Now here's a step-by-step how it works. First, there's token creation. Anyone can create a token through Pump.fun's interface. They pick the name, ticker, and upload an image. Super easy. Second, there's the bonding curve. The new token automatically gets placed on a bonding curve. That's a price mechanism where the more people buy in, the higher the price goes. Third is liquidity migration. Once the bonding curve fills up, the liquidity gets automatically deposited into Radium, giving the token a permanent trading pool. And lastly, there's community growth. If the meme catches fire, people pile in, volume shoots up, And suddenly you've got the next trending token. The system makes it insanely simple for meme coins to launch, but also incredibly volatile, as the ones I'm showing you now. Some projects skyrocket while others flip and flop in hours. Right now, we're looking at various coins, meme coins on the site. I will link this in the description for those of you that want to come back here and look at all this because, like right here, unofficial Trump, look at this. Market cap $229,000. And this is not the real Trump coin. This is just some guy that made his own meme coin. And I actually have this image on one of my thumbnails. Wow. Oh my God. Just how small the world is that, huh? And this guy just created a meme coin and he's made I don't know how much money off of this. Bravo. Bravo. People buying into it. Bravo. So much money to be made every single day. Look at this. So much money. Trillions of dollars every single day. Money does not sleep, gentlemen. It just doesn't. Now, as of today, Saturday, September the 6th, 2025, we can see the price per token. And right there, it is currently number 61. It's down 2.6%. I'm in the top left hand corner, gentlemen. Its market cap is already $1.59 billion dollars with a B. You're seeing that correct. And it is already number 61 out of over 9,000 tokens on the market today. And that's just listed on CoinMarketCap. Trading volume over the last 24 hours, 268 million. Now look, the total supply of tokens, 1 trillion pump tokens. God, that's a lot of tokens. And then underneath there, you see the maximum supply. So that's the maximum, the most it'll ever be. Right now, circulating in investor hands and on the market, 354 billion pump tokens. That's a lot too, but that's not even half. Now let's look over the last week. We can see that it's actually up 32%. Let's go even deeper. Over the last month, we can see that it is actually up 29% over the last month. And it just reaches all-time high over the last month today, this morning, 2 o'clock my time. So that's 5 o'clock East Coast time this morning. All right, now let's go deeper. Over the last year, look at this. Now remember, the token is new. It just launched. So that's why we don't have a full chart on it. Look at this. July. It's only September. Let's go deeper. Only here on this channel do you learn about projects like this. Look at this. July the 12th. Look at that trading volume. To have a billion and a half dollar market cap in less than 90 days. Now, if you want to get some for yourself, that's totally up to you. But if you want to get some, I'm going to show you exactly where. This is BuyFi. They're the fastest growing exchange on the planet. Now, we've been partners for over 2 years now. Several reasons why. Number one, I can get tokens like Pump.fun on here before it becomes mainstream and not miss out on all the profits. Now, when you sign up using my official link, you're going to earn welcome rewards to the tune of $8,100 just for making deposits, taking quizzes, and expanding your knowledge as an investor. All right, that's number one. Or number two, I should say. Over 1 million investors in over 190 countries. Now we've got tutorials for beginners. You can learn how to deposit, withdraw, and trade. Then right here, we're looking at some of the partners. You can download the app and trade anywhere. The Apple Store, Google Play, Windows, and Mac. Now remember what I just told you. Buying Pump.fun. Look at this. I always show receipts in everything I do. Look at this. Look, 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 look. There we go. You're welcome. You're welcome. Now, if you've learned anything in this video from watching this video, show your appreciation and your support in the way that has the most impact. And that, of course, is financially. Now, you can do so by making a contribution of any stable coin built on Ethereum, built on Polygon, or built on Binance. What these funds do, gentlemen, they are fuel for the channel. They allow us to continue to create life changing content for you because that's why we're here. It's the only reason why I started this channel 4 years ago, to teach you how to make money in altcoins, to teach you about decentralized finance, to teach you about meme coins, to teach you how to make money in this space. And if you've learned anything from watching this, contribute back right now. You can also scan the QR code that you see right there. The next video is going to be dropping within the next 48 hours or less. If I'm you, I am in the library watching as many videos as I can and learning as much as I can so until next time, get in there and make it happen.